So look what arrived, weather strip for the entire car, and also the monogram front Suzuki emblem. So I'm going to install the weather strips on all four cars. It's actually pretty simple to remove the weather strip. All you need to do is open the door and then just pull it off like this. So there are like tabs here, so I'll show you guys how to remove those tabs. Let me put you guys on tripod. You can see these tabs can be simply removed with hand, but it will be a little difficult to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a plier or something to remove it. These weather strips are extremely inexpensive. Like, I'll show you guys the price. So, this is for the front door. Let me see if it focuses. Yes, so that is 225 rupees. As you can see, the new ones come with new clips, so we might not have to reuse the old ones, so we can just yank them out. These weather strips have sides, so if you see this hole needs to line up in this tab. So make sure that you use the right side, otherwise it won't see. Taking apart the door weather stripping is not that easy. So first you have to remove, there is a lock that comes here, so you have to remove that lock. So you just need to tap it from below. It comes out and this should pop out like this. This is what stops your door, and then you put this door strip around it, and then you put the lock back. So that is the mechanism. So I have half of the weather stripping installed. So what I'll do is I'll install the rest half. Like, you know, there are tabs that run below, and then post that I'll put the pin back. So you need to do that for all four doors. So let me show that once I reach on the other side. So I've actually put the weather strip across this little pin, and then I have placed the pin back. So it is just putting the pin back and tapping it from above, and after that you start putting the clips on. It is as simple as that. Like, it's very difficult to hold the camera in one hand and do it with the other. Okay, let me put this lock. Okay, that is seated. We'll just temporarily place it like this, and then put these tabs on, otherwise it will become very difficult at a later stage. So that was one of the old tabs which was hiding there. So it is important that you remove all the old tabs, because if you don't, then this thing won't seat properly, and it has the exact number of tabs that you need. So you need not worry about anything. Always remember, these kind of things you have to buy original, because aftermarket ones are also available, but try to get original if possible, because if you don't, then there is a good chance that this one. I was interrupted by this guy. Oh my god. So he thinks that I am a giant lollipop. So he is not letting me to do my work. Okay, enough. So that's one door done. But the problem is I'll have to adjust the locks because it's not closing properly. To close it properly, I'll have to close it like this, which is not gonna happen. So, and look at the feeling it's doing. It's a perfect seal. I've also ordered these. So this is still getting delivered. So once these arrive, then it would seal completely. But then what I need to do now is I need to just move the lock inside. I'll show you guys how to do it. A Phillips head screwdriver, something like an impact screwdriver, because this is not going to be easy. Just make it a little loose so it moves like this. So I'm moving it to the maximum, then I'll move it outside. Okay, it's reasonably tight. Let's see how it closes. Okay, it's still, there's a gap still, so let me see if it can move a bit more inside. It's definitely better than earlier. And guys, this needs to be done properly. If you don't do it properly, then don't blame me if the door doesn't close at all. So I need two hands for this. So I'm going to. That is just perfect. You see, that's how you adjust a door. It closes perfectly with minimal effort. You don't have to put a lot of effort. So one door down, three more to go. So I've completed that on all four doors, and I've also taken out the combination switch. So this switch, I'm going to take it to the automotive store, because apparently there are two kind of connectors. So we need to take it, and then they have to tell me whether this is the right replacement switch. So I might have to drive it without the combination switch tomorrow, because I'm taking it to a workshop who can do the suspension rebuild. I do not have the right kind of tools to do a suspension rebuild, so that is the reason why I cannot do it myself, but I know exactly how it is done. So post the suspension rebuild, then we will also do a wheel alignment and wheel balancing. These wheels are not balanced yet, so that is something that we'll do. So I've taken the battery out because it is not holding charge because of this faulty switch. This always turns on a couple of lights, and then because of that the battery drains. So tomorrow I'm going to take this. Also, hopefully tomorrow there is going to be some update on the RX set, because I'm getting some stuff for it tomorrow. So once that is in, then probably we'll start updating. I'll do a couple of videos on that as well. So yeah, tomorrow is going to be a busy day. So I know this is pretty late, and sorry for not updating this regularly. I'm a little pressed with time, and I'm not able to focus completely on the projects that I have in hand. But then hopefully during the weekend I can churn out a couple of more videos. So tomorrow this is going to become perfectly drivable. Then I'm going to make sure that the electricals also start functioning the way they are supposed to function. and once that is taken care of, then we can look at the cosmetic bits, which is, you know, the freakifying the whole thing, like, you know, removing these stupid decals and removing that big Rockford Force Gate decal there. I'm also thinking of getting rid of these tints on the tail lamp, because I don't like the smoke look anymore. This is something which is a mod which is pretty dated, like people don't do it anymore. So that is the plan as of now. So I'll keep you guys posted. So tomorrow is a big day. Let's hope all the things get done, whichever is planned. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful night ahead. Bye bye.